In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload, read, and scan images with Google AI Studio. First, open your browser and head to aestudio.google.com. This is Google's interface for experimenting with AI models, including vision features. Make sure you're using a modern browser and that pop-up blockers aren't interfering with the page loading. If the site asks you to choose a project or verify access, just ensure you're in an account that has permission to use AI Studio. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side and click on Playground. The Playground is a safe space to test prompts, attach media, and see how the model responds before you integrate anything into an app. Think of it as your interactive workbench where you can iterate quickly. At the bottom of the Playground, near the message box where you type, click the small icon you'll see there. It's the control that lets you add inputs besides plain text. You'll use it to attach an image so the model can analyze it alongside your prompt. Next, choose Upload Files. This opens your file picker so you can select the image you want to analyze. Keep in mind that clear images produce better results, and common formats like PNG and JPG work well. If you're uploading a document photo for text extraction, try to use a well-lit straight-on shot so the model can read the text more accurately. Select your file and click Open. You should now see a thumbnail or file name attached in the Playground, confirming that the image is ready to be processed with your prompt. In the prompt box, type something like, "What is this image about?" That's a great starting point for a general description. If you need something more specific, you can ask for details such as summarize the text in this image, list the items you see, or describe the layout and any important labels. Clear, direct prompts help the model focus on exactly what you need. Now click Run. This sends both your prompt and the attached image to the model. You might notice a brief spinner or progress indicator. Wait a few seconds for it to process. The time can vary depending on image size and your connection, but responses are usually quick. When it's done, you'll see a detailed answer describing the image and, if applicable, any text it detected. If the result isn't specific enough, refine your prompt by adding context, like the goal of your analysis or the parts of the image you care about most. That's it. You've uploaded an image, prompted the model, and scanned the results using Google AI Studio's Playground.